In this video, I'm going to show you real quickly how you can post files to Guardian portals so that your guardians can access whatever you need them to access for your classroom or school. So the central location where you can store files within the Spark program is found in the Files and Folders page. This is on the admin side in the school section. So go to Files and Folders, and then all of your classrooms will already appear within these folders. They'll each have their own folder that you can add more nested folders to, and then also upload files within. So let's look at the elementary classroom. So here I created a nested folder called Public Files, and this is where I will upload and store all the files that my parents and guardians need access to. Then within this folder, I uploaded a file called Syllabus. This was on my device. I simply uploaded it into the Spark program. Now, other staff members can access this if needed, and I can also post this if I want to the Guardian portals. The way you create other folders and upload files are by using these symbols here next to a folder, or by clicking on any of these three dot menus and then adding files or creating new folders. Once I uploaded this file called Syllabus, I do want to post this to my guardians for this classroom. So I'm going to click on the three dot menu next to it and go down to Post File. Here I have an option to either post it to all the Guardian portals in my Spark platform or just for the guardians of the students enrolled in my classroom. So I'm going to post it just for the guardians of the students in that elementary classroom. And then I click Save. You can also do this within your actual classroom. So if you're a staff member with just access to your classroom, click into that classroom and then go to the tab called Files on the far right, and you can upload files here. I'm going to show you now what this looks like for the guardian. So when a guardian enters his or her portal, on the right, there is now a section called Posted Items. And here they can see that they have a school file they can access and also the syllabus for the elementary classroom. So they can download this and then open it as needed.